Learning Objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to describe the location of India on world map, understand and describe the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India on world map, define the east-west time lag in India, describe the benefits of India's strategic location in the sea, describe the number and locations of India's neighbors, describe the cultural, religious and artistic exchange between India and the world. India, location and size. Location. India is one of the world's most ancient civilizations with a rich heritage. It is located entirely in the Northern Hemisphere. In the Northern Hemisphere, it lies in South Asia between the latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north, runs through the country, dividing it into almost 2 equal parts. It is flanked by 2 island groups, the Andaman and Nicobar group in the southeast and the Lakshadweep Islands in the southwest. Size. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers, measuring 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. The land boundary is 15,106.7 kilometers and the coastline is 7,517 kilometers. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of areas. India and the world. India is centrally located in the south of Asia. Indian landmass tapers into the Indian Ocean. Thus, all trans-Indian Ocean routes connecting European nations with East Asian countries passed by India. Protruding into the Indian Ocean helped India establish trade contacts with Africa, West Asia and Southeast Asian countries. Trade contacts made cultural, religious and artistic exchange possible. This is how the teachings of Upanishads, Ramayana and Panchatantra, along with the Indian numeral and decimal system, reached various parts of the world. India's neighbors. India is surrounded by 9 countries. It shares land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest. Nepal and Bhutan are its neighbors in the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar share the borders in the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives, 2 island nations, are India's southern neighbors in the Indian Ocean. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. India is one of the most ancient civilizations of the world. India lies entirely in South Asia in the Northern Hemisphere. India is situated between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. India is flanked by 2 island groups. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. India is centrally located in the south of Asia. India's strategic location made cultural, religious and artistic exchange possible with the world.